Everybody be a star. Everybody sing a Christmas song, driving in your car. Santa, are you ready? Bells prepare to chime. Everyone go crazy, cause it's great, great Christmas time.
Great, great Christmas. Great, great Christmas time.
Went from one store to another, found a present for my mother. Gotta put it somewhere she won't find it, under my bed or right behind it. Took some present, took some tape, cut the paper into shape. If it ain't perfect, it don't matter, I'm gonna be a Christmas rapper.
Great, great Christmas. Great, great Christmas time.
Great, great Christmas time.
Great Christmas. Great, great Christmas time.
Don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't need to hang my stocking. Never come the fireplace. Santa Claus will make me happy. So on Christmas Day, I just want you for my own. More than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is all I want for Christmas is all I want for Christmas is you, 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 Christmas is you.
Everybody be a reindeer, everybody be a star. Everybody sing a Christmas song, driving in your car. Santa, are you ready? Bells prepare to chime. Everyone go crazy, cause it's great, great Christmas time.
Great, great Christmas. Great, great Christmas time.
Went from one store to another, found a present for my mother. Gotta put it somewhere she won't find it, under my bed or right behind it. Took some present, took some tape, cut the paper into shape. If it ain't perfect, it don't matter, I'm gonna be a Christmas rapper.
Great, great Christmas. Great, great Christmas time.
Great, 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 great Christmas time.
Great Christmas. Great, great Christmas time.
Hi everyone, Chris Brain here, State Member for Nepean. It's so great to be here at Rosebud Primary School inspecting the rebuild. Obviously this gymnasium opening middle of next year, the classrooms the start of next year. This gymnasium is looking insane. It is going to be so good, so I'm so pumped to welcome you all into it next year. Obviously I just want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm so looking forward to seeing all of you in 2022.
Mr. Mac, it has been a pretty crazy year, but look where we are.
I can't believe it, like we've got the keys and we're in. There was no way in the world we were getting in this early, but we're actually in.
We're here.
Shell shock. I'm shell shock.
We've got Mrs. Bodger in setting up the art room. We've got...
Arnold's got our STEM room ready to rock and roll. The 5s and 6s are in. They can't set up their rooms completely yet, but they'll come back in January and do that anyway. But all their stuff's in here. It looks amazing.
And we cannot wait to show every single one of you this amazing new build next year.
And the exciting thing too is all the portables are actually, kids, if you're out and about during the holidays, all the portables about mid-Jan will come up, craned off the site, and they'll be gone, which will mean we can start to sow the oval, get the grass there, and get that ready to rock and roll next year as well.
And a big game, Collingwood versus the rest of the
I
school.
love that. Pies will win for sure. We're back next year. We're back.
Black and white, Mr. Mac.
Absolutely.
But I tell you what, we are so thankful for the year that every single one of you have had. You have been so flexible in this absolutely crazy world we're living in, but you've done a tremendous job.
Yeah, I reckon it's been like 21 months that we've been living in this COVID space, and we have to get used to living with it. There'll be a new norm once we come back next year, but hopefully no more, or not as many cases as we've had. Hey, the community, thanks so much to all the parents for your understanding. The phone calls that we've had to make, and we've had support from all the staff lately, they've been tough to make, but really your feedback has been great, and the way you've taken it on board has been amazing too. We certainly want the kids here, but we're trying to keep everyone safe and get to Christmas and make sure we all have time with our families.
So make sure sure you really do have a break this time. Enjoy your Christmas as a family, enjoy your holidays, get down the beach, go for some
Absolutely.
bike rides. Make sure, as Mr. Fisher will tell you, to slip, slop, slap.
Yeah, and we look forward to seeing you. We'll see you out and about. We can't wait to have you all back early next year. I think it's Feb 1st, isn't it?
It
They
is,
come
Mr.
back.
Mac, yeah.
So that's going to be lots of fun. So we look forward to seeing you. We're going to have a brand new school, bells and whistles, best place to be. So look forward to seeing you all. Have a wonderful break. Enjoy time with your families. Stay safe.
And just enjoy every moment you can. Merry Christmas. I hope Santa comes to all of you.
See you later.
ya.
Have fun.
I know we didn't get to say a proper goodbye, kids, but
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hello Grade 3, welcome to your end of year message. Grade 3, we're so proud of you this year. I have been extremely fortunate to be with you with Grade 1, 2 and 3, and I just wanted to say thank you to all the children and the families for the bond we have created. It has been absolutely wonderful to get to know the families so well, and I wish you the very best in the future.
It's been a great year despite all the lockdowns. We were able to get out and about, some excursions and some fun activities as well. So right back to the McRae homestead, walking there was very fun, except for Jamie when he slipped over in the mud. We also were lucky enough to have awesome weather for water safety as well as Gunbuy Well, which is amazing, lots of fun as well.
On behalf of Grade 3, we'd like to thank all the parent helpers who put their hands up for the library and Gunbuy World. It's fantastic to have parent helpers.
And
finally, last but not least, we wish you a very happy Christmas, the best new year, and a wonderful time in grade 4. Well done.
Thanks, grade 3.
Merry Christmas!
Oh, cheer up, Andrew. I know it's not the end of year we all hoped for, but Merry Christmas!
Merry
Well, folks, we've made it. We're just about there, and it's going to be the best Christmas ever. Everyone together, have a wonderful time. The merriest and the happiest and the bestest Christmas to you all.
I was sitting on the beach one sunny day when I saw a white figure headed my way. He walked across the golden sand with a twin fin surfboard in his hand. It was a wombat. Yeah, 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 wombat. Yeah, 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 wombat. Yeah, 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 wombat on a surfboard.
We're cooking. He thought his song down his sunnies too, and he headed for the ocean blue. He waded through the brigand fray, and he hopped on his board and he paddled away. It was a wombat.
Yeah, 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 wombat. Yeah, 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 wombat. Yeah, 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 wombat on a surfboard.
And he waded where the big waves saw for a wave to take him back to shore. He saw a good one he could use, so he jumped on a board and he started to cruise. It was a wombat. Yeah, 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 wombat. Yeah, 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 wombat. Yeah, 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 wombat on a surfboard. Here we go. And he dreamed he was in Rosebud, riding a big waves crest. He could hear the crowd cheering from the shore, so he stayed there with the best. He was a wombat.
Yeah, 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 wombat. Yeah, 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 wombat. Yeah, 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 wombat on a surfboard.
Really quiet now. Really quiet. He was a wombat. Yeah, 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 wombat. Yeah, 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 wombat. Yeah, 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 wombat. All right. Last day ever, really loud.
Let's make Mr. Fisher hear it.
Let's make him hear it. It was a wombat.
Yeah, 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 wombat. Yeah, 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 wombat. Yeah, 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 wombat on a surfboard.
And one more to finish off with a bang.